So we've eaten our fair share of mangoes in the last year since arriving in Morocco, and they're always fresh on the streets, and you can get them anywhere, and they're really cheap. And yeah, we've recently discovered a way to eat them because they're always so hard to cut open and they make such a mess. We've recently discovered this method to eat them, and that's freezing them first. And then once you cut it, once it's frozen, it's super easy to cut still and quite easy to eat, and it's a nice cold treat, and you don't get juice everywhere. So here's a little demo of that. Just cut off one side. You can get nice and close to the pit on the inside too, which is nice. Mm-hmm. And all those like crazy, weird little hairy things just slice right through, so it's much easier than, and then yeah, we still sort of do a lot of people will be familiar with that technique. And you just cut it off the skin a lot easier than, than when it's super juicy and watery.
And gushy all over your hands.
Yeah. Yeah, so
that's that.
Nice and close to the skin, and no mess.
Yeah.
So much easier.
Yeah. Relatively close to the skin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet. Good job.